Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary, and I thought it would be really fun to do some shorts toward the end of this month about the reasons that I love short-term rentals. And so today I'm specifically going to talk about how short-term rentals have changed my life and why it is that I love them. So I am a former teacher. I taught for 16 years, middle school, English language arts. Yes, for a lot of people, we all cringe and it's like, ooh, I would never go back to middle school. But I loved it. And I honestly had my dream school, my dream team of teachers that I was teaching alongside of, and my dream district. It was small. I had a lot of autonomy over my curriculum and how I ran my classroom, and it was fabulous. Alongside teaching for 16 years, I actually started a side hustle with my husband in short-term rental real estate. We invested in our very first property back in 2015, and we managed it from Minnesota, where we were living at the time, even though the property was out in Montana. And we had a person in place to do the cleaning. We had a person in place to do emergency maintenance. So anything that would come up for guests, we would be able to have this person on retainer and reach out to them in the case that we needed them. And I think it's my most favorite thing about short-term rental real estate is that it is highly doable as a side hustle in addition to a full-time job. I was able to grow our portfolio to 6 properties before I would say it really started impacting my ability to have work-life harmony. I had my daughter in 2020. I had this full-time teaching job, and I had 6 properties that I was managing full-time. And that was really where I started to feel that pressure of okay, we sort of need to choose what we're doing here. Are we going to keep growing our portfolio, or am I going to continue to teach full time? And that was where I decided to take a chance on myself. But really, up until that point, it was the ideal side hustle in addition to a full-time job that I loved, because I was able to manage a lot of our properties in the evening hours, on weekends, respond to guests, make sure that I was utilizing technology to have things as automated as possible. And so it was the ultimate side hustle because it brought in income, which allowed us to travel. And that income was enough beyond our W-2 jobs that we were really able to live the life that we wanted. So tell me, what would you love most about having a short-term rental side hustle?